Philadelphia emergency for Philadelphia and surrounding counties. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Emergency Management Agency, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. A significant cognitive hazard incident has been detected in Philadelphia, resulting in unexplained medical symptoms among several hundred individuals. Authorities are actively investigating this event. Residents are advised to take the following precautions. If someone is showing signs of a cognitive hazard, call 911 immediately. Be aware of symptoms such as unexplained paralysis or altered consciousness. Call 911 only in case of an emergency. Authorities are working diligently to understand and mitigate the situation. Please stay tuned to local news outlets for updated information and further instructions.